All you need to do is mix, blend, transfer, and microwave. That's it. Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how I make flourless, sugarless, microwave chocolate cake. I used 3 overripe bananas, 2 extra large eggs, Hershey's natural unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder. I also used a dash of salt, cinnamon powder, and date syrup. If you have watched my other video of the banana oatmeal muffin, alam nyo na banana and cinnamon always works for me. Basically, we just have to dump all the ingredients sa ating mixer. I'm just using a food processor kasi hindi naman masyadong complicated tong recipe na to. Actually, I just made this out of boredom. So, and it turned out well. That's why I decided to share it. Out of boredom, and also I have overripe banana. So I decided to just play around and create something I haven't done before. So heads up, this recipe are all entirely baseless. This is just me playing around and, you know, trying to create and hoping that it will turn out nice and delicious. Ganon naman talaga dapat, diba? We should not be afraid to try and experiment and not just copy. I was only thinking about putting 4 tablespoons, pero hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. 5 tablespoons yung nalagay ko. But it turned out well naman, kaya lang medyo matapang yung cocoa flavor niya. So, kung hindi kayo masyado into dark or mapait na chocolate, bawasan nyo na lang yung cocoa powder into 4 tablespoons. Again, I was only thinking of putting half teaspoon of baking powder. Pero as I can see in this video, parang umisa pa ako ng lagay. So this one should be half teaspoon baking powder times 2. So after nyan, it's time for us to blend. If you don't have a food processor, you can also use your blender. And then I realized na why not put cinnamon powder, kasi nga to balance out the napasobra kong chocolate powder, diba? So banana, chocolate, cinnamon, yummy. Then I also realized I can put my date syrup, kasi why not? It's a good alternative for sugar, and since medyo napatapang nga yung lagay ko, i-adjust natin sa ibang paraan. So I decided to put around 2 tablespoons of date syrup. And then we blend again. Now it's time for us to transfer it in the pan. This one is just 8 by 6 inches baking pan. So maliit lang kasi nga trial pa lang naman siya. Or if you don't have a small pan, you can use a mug. But I'm not really sure. Para siya magiging parang mug cake, ganyan. But it's better if you have a small baking pan, doon na lang para mas mukha talaga siyang cake. I know, you will ask why you did not grease the baking pan. Well, kasi feeling ko naman, since wala namang flour itong mixture natin, feeling ko okay na siyang hindi i-grease kasi hindi siya ganun kadikit sa baking pan natin. But feeling ko lang naman yun. Pero in the end, okay naman siya. Hindi siya naging mahirap tanggalin. So, it's really up to you if you want to grease the pan or no. And also, microwave lang ang gagamitin natin, not oven. So, greasing is not necessary. And, you know, may naiisip ako kanina. I was supposed to make a ganache, parang icing niya. But then, wala akong available na milk. Kaya, meron akong naisip na smart or bright idea. Nagagawin ko parang topping niya or icing. So, actually sabi ko sugarless. So, if you don't want sugar sa cake, wag niyo nang gawin yung binabalak ko. Now, we'll put it in the microwave. As in yung normal microwave lang ha. I started with 5 minutes and then chine-check ko siya from time to time. And it took me around 8 to 10 minutes para ma-achieve ito. Let it set and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Let it cool down. Then, you can now transfer it sa serving plate. So, since hindi nga greased yung baking pan ko, ganyan ang itsura niya, it's okay kasi I will cover it with Nutella. So, ayan yung sinasabi kong smart or bright idea ko kasi nga since napasobra ako nilagay ng cocoa powder, kailangan i-balance out natin siya. So, kailangan ko lagyan ng konting tamis, which is yung Nutella nga. Usually, I don't like Nutella because it's so sweet. But, dito sa recipe ko na to, bumagay talaga yung Nutella. So, Nutella lang, ilagay nyo lang siya top and then spread it. Ganun lang. But, if you don't like sugar, since sabi ko nga sugarless ito, huwag nyo nang tanggalin sa baking pan. Eat it as it is. Okay na yun. So, pagka-spread nyo nung Nutella or kung makakagawa kayo ng ganache, keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes lang para mag-settle. I just put a very thin layer of Nutella just to balance out the bitterness ng cocoa powder. So, yun lang. And manipis lang. But, syempre, depende sa inyo how sweet you want it. So, there you go. You now have your quick and easy, flourless, sugarless, chocolate microwave cake. Well, this one is good yung mga biglaan lang na nag-crave ka ng chocolate cake and ayaw mo lumabas, ganyan. Pwede na to. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please don't forget to share to your friends and families. And also, if you're not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Always remember guys, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!